rocking your world with web design.
Welcome. Let's add a contributor. First, pick the site that you want to add a contributor to. Now, you're in the dashboard. Go ahead, click Settings. Go over to Roles and Permissions. Now, this is where you're going to invite people. Go ahead, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. For support, enter ours. Now, choose the second option, Website Manager. That just allows us to get into the back end, do our thing. Click Send Invite. Now, we're an agency, so go ahead and pick the first one. You're all set. Your invite's on its way. Subscribe to Wix Pros for more tutorials today.